Okay, hello. This is for Aiken Silver and Aiken Bronze. So you need your sheet and let's practice. Number one is star. Number two is moon. Number three is tree. Number four is mountain. Mountain. Number five is sun. Number six is sky. Number seven is rainbow. Number eight is river. River. Number nine is flowers. Number 10 is swing. Number 11 is balloon. Number 12 is seesaw. Number 13 is slide. Number 14 is sunny. Number 15 is rainy. Number 16 is snowy. Okay, so let's practice 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, ready? Together. Star, moon, tree, mountain. Okay, let's try one more time. Ready? Star, moon, tree, mountain. Okay, let's try 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? Sun, sky, rainbow, river. Let's try again. Ready? Sun, sky, rainbow, river. Okay, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Flowers, swing, balloon, seesaw, slide. Flowers, swing, balloon, seesaw, slide. And let's finish with 14, 15, 16. Ready? Sunny, rainy, snowy. Sunny, rainy, snowy. Okay, let's start from number 1 to number 16. Ready? Star, moon, tree, mountain, sun, sky, rainbow, river, flowers, swing, balloon, seesaw, slide, sunny, rainy, snowy. Okay, nice one. Thank you.